Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're eagerly waiting for a package from USPS, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down how to track your USPS package in 2025. With new features like enhanced real-time updates and improved mobile integration, tracking has never been easier. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need your tracking number. This is a unique code, usually 20 to 35 characters long, that you get from your shipping confirmation email or the label on your package. Make sure to keep it handy. Step 1. Head over to the official USPS website at usps.com. If you're on the go, download the USPS app from your phone's app store. It's free and super user-friendly in 2025, with features like voice search and personalized dashboards. Once you're on the site or in the app, look for the Track and Manage section. That's where the magic happens. Enter your tracking number into the search bar and hit enter. Boom! You'll see a detailed timeline of your package's journey, including its current location, estimated delivery date, and any delays due to weather or holidays. In 2025, USPS has rolled out some cool upgrades. For instance, you can now enable live notifications via text or email to get instant updates without constantly checking. Just opt in during the tracking process. If your package is delayed, the app will suggest alternatives, like redirecting it to a nearby post office for pickup. One more tip. If you haven't already, sign up for USPS Informed Delivery. This service lets you preview your mail and packages digitally, so you'll know exactly when to expect your items. And there you have it. Tracking your USPS package is straightforward and stress-free. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to contact USPS customer service through their 24/7 chat feature. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and hit that bell icon. What's your most anticipated package? Drop it in the comments below. See you next time.